ladies and gentlemen. Our next topic of discussion is clothes. Name brand clothes versus normal clothes versus how they make everybody feel blah blah. Okay? I'm just saying, for those who do wear name brand clothes, yeah, okay, whatever, it's your shtick. Okay. Doesn't make you better than anybody else just because you can afford that and someone else can't. It doesn't. I'm sorry, your clothes don't define your character. The way you act and the way that you are towards people defines your fucking character. If I had to sit there and judge somebody, or even a first impression somebody, and they're wearing name brand clothes, do you want to know the first thing that comes to my mind? Snob! I'm sorry, but if it takes name brand clothes to make you feel good about yourself, there's a problem with you. If you put someone down for not having name brand clothes, bitch, not everybody is as fortunate as everybody else. It's just how life is. And with that being said, 95% of name brand clothes are made by slave children. So every time you wear some name brand, you're promoting slave children, which is horrible. Like, what the fuck's wrong with you? And I don't care what the fucking media says or what each individual name brand says. Okay, there's a lot more going on in this world than most people know about, and I ain't got enough time to get to in this rant. All I'm saying is it doesn't matter if you're wearing something Gucci or something fucking Walmart. You could be wearing something Walmart and be 10,000 times better of a person than that person wearing Gucci. I'm sorry, but that's how it is. I mean, look at fucking most celebrities, man. For example, Kanye and Kim. What the fuck is wrong with this world? Like, are you stupid? Anyway, getting back on the topic of clothes. Okay? I've owned everything from name brand to normal shit. Okay? I would rather wear the fucking Walmart stuff. 1, it's more comfortable. 2, easier to access. And 3, more bang for your buck. Why the fuck would you go out and spend $80 fucking dollars on a pair of shoes for your little kid that is name brand? Like these mothers that decide to get fucking Jordans for their 3-month-old. Yes, because you know when that fucking kid is a year old, they're going to be able to wear those Jordans. Why would you fucking waste the money? Like, it appalls me how fucking stupid people are, man. And I'm not the brightest fucking tool in the shed by any means. So if I'm saying something's wrong with you, something's wrong with you. Anyways, don't let what people say about what you wear get to you. Because at the end of the day, they're just a person too that has flaws and insecurities and only wants to put you down because they have nothing better to do in life. That's not a problem with you, that's a problem with them. Anyways, I wanted to give a shout out to my homegirl Jess for the topic and her little girl Autumn. Love you guys.